Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 189. Dear Sir, I am in receipt of your letter of the 24th and I regret to state that I am unable to give you the information you require. I can assure you I should be pleased to do so if it were possible. I am surprised to hear from you that the funds of your society are in such a bad way. I regard the objects of the society as most praiseworthy, and I cannot understand how it is that public support should be withheld. I enclose check for £10 as a subscription and shall be glad to give the same amount next year. I am much obliged to you for the copy of the report. Yours faithfully. Full stop.